Okay, last thing. I am coloring the stuff right here. These red lines, like I told you, are not going to be there. So it's just going to be this part and then this wall. And then what I decided to do was that I made an imaginary line from the vanishing point up and then did a little curve. We're going to do a mountain. So I want to put a layer of probably blue-gray, because I want this mountain to be way darker than this green because it's further away. So we're gonna do a layer of like some random streaks of blue-gray here. But otherwise you can make whatever mountain you want as long as it follows the line that we made for the vanishing point. I'll put some, you don't have to do this, you can just do whatever fucking mountain you want. But yeah, I want you to put a mountain here, that way it's not just a blank slate in the back. I'm gonna color over that with my green. That way, you see that? It's a dark green. That's a mountain. It definitely doesn't look like a mountain, but you get the idea. And then I'm assuming you know how to do clouds, but if not, I'll show you. One of the things that's been trending lately is cloud stuff on the internet. I want you to do like 2 lines and then some wispy bits, and then a little bit flatter on the bottom, and then color that in, and then go over it with some darker bits, and you kind of get the cloud effect. But otherwise I think you're just going to be doing it by hand anyways, so I don't think it matters. But you get the idea. So this is your greenery. There's going to be a mountain back here. You're gonna have all of that, and then you're gonna have like a blue sky, and then like I mentioned before, you're gonna have your either cross hatching or shadows coming from the inside. And you don't really have to do what I'm doing. I'm just showing you another example of how I like doing the shading. This isn't gonna blend, but I guess I'll just have to deal with that. So you can do like 3 colors. So you can do dark color, medium color, and a light color and have it fade out. But that is the drawing. So you're gonna have a mountain following that vanishing point. You're gonna get rid of these red lines that I have here. So you're not gonna draw these. You're gonna draw your planter here, planter here, planter here, planter here. Sky, this is a horizontal point, and then remember where your vanishing points are. I think it's probably the best if you keep your vanishing points up until the very end. That way, if you want to add anything randomly later, you don't forget where your vanishing points are. And just for kicks, let's do a blue sky. That is way too blue. This is probably way too blue as well. I will test it on here. So you know, this is how the end result would be in real life. And ideally I would finish coloring the thing and not be lazy, so let's do that. And then if you really wanted to be detailed, you can make it darker here, lighter here. One of the things that I want to mention last minute is that the sun is going to be kind of right here. So this would be the lighter part. So the middle part of the paper would be the lightest part, and then everything going away from it, going towards the vanishing points, is going to get a little bit darker. But I think you should be good like this.